What happens when ChatGPT does your homework for you? Welcome to today's video where we'll be exploring the fascinating topic of chatbots and artificial intelligence doing your homework. Have you ever found yourself struggling to complete a difficult assignment or project? Perhaps you've considered enlisting the help of a tutor, but what about a chatbot? With advancements in technology, it's now possible for chatbots and AI to assist with various tasks, including homework. But what happens when a chatbot, like GPT, generative pre-trained transformer, does your homework? Firstly, let's explore the capabilities of GPT. GPT is a type of AI that can generate creative and coherent text output. It can analyze and understand various inputs, such as images, audio, and text, and provide relevant responses. With this impressive ability, many are wondering if GPT can do an entire homework assignment. To test this hypothesis, we enlisted the help of GPT to complete a complex physics project. The results were both fascinating and impressive. GPT was able to generate a well-structured and coherent essay, including complex equations and explanations. However, it's important to note that the assignment was not perfect, as some sentences lacked clarity, and there were a few errors throughout. Additionally, with the availability of so much information online, GPT's responses were limited to what was available in the database, and as such, lacked originality and creativity. The success of GPT in completing the physics project raises an important question: should students utilize chatbots or AI to complete their homework assignments? While using chatbots like GPT may help complete an assignment or project quickly, it's important to note that it can lead to a lack of understanding of the topic at hand. Relying on chatbots for homework assignments means that students may not have the opportunity to engage critically with the material they are supposed to learn. Moreover, using chatbots to complete homework assignments could lead to plagiarism. With so much information readily available online, it's easy for chatbots to generate text that is similar or identical to existing work. This presents a significant ethical issue that must be taken into consideration. In conclusion, chatbots and AI have the potential to revolutionize the way we learn and complete assignments. However, relying too heavily on these technologies can lead to an erosion of our critical thinking skills and even plagiarism. So, would you consider using a chatbot like GPT to complete your homework? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.